Okay, so now I've sent the client a cost estimate. They've given me a go-ahead to proceed with this. So now I'm going to send the instructions to the team to get the data uploaded into Relativity. So I have logged the job into JMS now. Here are the instructions. We're just taking a USB, we're processing it in Nuix and then uploading that to Relativity. So the instructions are quite simple here. We put in what needs to be collected and some internal instructions of where the data is stored, ready for processing. Okay, so now I've just drafted an email to TechOps. I put the job number in there and when the job's due by. All the instructions need to go into JMS, so we don't put in that content into the email. So what TechOps will do is when they receive this email, they'll just evaluate the job, make sure that they can do it in the timescales and get back and confirm that it's okay to be done in that time. They will then take the data, process it in Nuix, and that process will extract out all of the electronic files and then export it into a format which we can then upload into Relativity. So once it's exported out, it gets uploaded into Relativity and then it's available for the client to view. Hi, I've just come back from the training session with the client. We just went through how to set up the database for the review team, set up some tags for them that relates to their matter. They said they were interested in finding the financial records, so we went through a few searches, looked at the document types and how they could filter down on those. And now we're just going to leave them to it. They're going to go through and find all the relevant material within the database, ready for the discovery. Well, I just got off the phone to the client. They've finished their review process now. They've identified all the relevant material and they're ready for their discovery. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run a few searches over the database, do some quality checks over there, making sure the privileged and confidential tags have been applied correctly, let them know if there's anything which doesn't match up there. And assuming everything's good, we'll export it out to the standard agreed format. We'll then provide that back to the client in an Access database, load file and PDF files, and they'll use that to exchange, to provide to the other parties.